do is that और ये सरोजनी वाले भैया ने मुझे टिप दिया था।
मेरे को बोला कि माइनर ओटी से पर्ची बनेगी।
मैं सरोजनी के 5 किलोमीटर के
पेनफुल इंजेक्शन।
Hello, this vlog is going to be about finishing off older things, like I'm going to collect my certificate from IIT today. Don't worry guys, I didn't actually crack IIT. I just happened to do a psychology internship there, so I have to collect that and then I have to resume going to the gym. I also want to eat healthy. I'm gonna title it Getting My Life Together. So task for today is that I have to get ready. I have to go to IIT. Then after that, I would probably go to Sarojini. I'm going to wash only like this side of my hair because a bitch got a blow dry, and you best believe that I'm gonna make it last at least like 6 days. I just got out of the shower. I washed this much of my hair because it had like gel on from the last time I styled it. And now I'm going to have omelette without bread because we're following a gluten-free diet, which I will talk more about. But right now my phone needs to charge.
A few moments later.
Charger, wallet, earphones, cough cells, because for some reason my throat chakra is blocked. Okay, we must go now. Okay, so first I sat in this rickshaw, then I realized that the driver of it was very drunk, so I got off and I got on this rickshaw because apni suraksha apne haath mein bhai. वैसे तो I'm a very absent-minded person, except when I'm traveling alone. Then this country has literally trained me to be and stay vigilant. Okay, so then of course I got to IIT, collected my certificate, something that took me only 5 minutes but like 2 hours of travel time. Then I had some chai, of course, and I got some pictures clicked because let's face it, this is the closest I'll ever get to IIT. Not that I've ever tried. I was literally the happiest humanities student.
I just asked not one, not two, but 3 people from IIT to click a picture of me, and each one of them was like, I'm really sorry I'm running late, I'm really sorry I'm running late. And I was like, yahi farak hai. That's why you and me did not make it to IIT, because if someone had asked me to click their picture, which takes 30 seconds, I probably would have taken it and then ran off. And I'm not shaming them, like that is the difference between an IITian and a YouTuber. So एंड में मैंने एक मज़दूर भैया काम कर रहे थे, उन्होंने मेरी फ़ोटो लिया.
Now, if you really thought that I was going to travel 2 hours for a 5-minute task, then you really don't know me. Because अगर मैं सरोजनी के 5 किलोमीटर के रेडियस के अंदर हूँ तो मेरे पैर अपने आप ही ऑटोमेटिकली सरोजनी पहुँच जाते हैं. I don't know how.
Happy, happy, happy.
Much later.
I'm so tired. I don't think I vlogged anything.
You actually did vlog yourself eating rajma chawal, you fat ass. I'm so tired. Oh my god, I've never been this tired before. No, I have, but still. भाई मैं वैष्णो देवी भी यही सूट पहन के गई थी, एंड तब भी मेरे को इतना चलना पड़ा था, और आज दोबारा मैं ये सूट पहन के गई एंड आज भी मेरे को इतना चलना पड़ा. Anyway, so IIT is already like 2 hours from my place. मेरा काजल पूरा लाइनर पूरा स्मज हो गया है because I did this, of course. So anyways, मैं भूल गई As I was saying, I'm very tired and I really need to make some very big money so that I can stop buying clothes from Sarojini, okay? Like, let's be honest, I'm still going to buy clothes from Sarojini even when I'm rich. But अब मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं रह गई है भाई. I remember I would go round and round that market before जब मैं पहले जाती थी, and now I'm just so dead. Like I'm literally so dead and I'm just like I could not care less. मेरे को घर जाना है. It's probably something to do with the fact that it's now summers and it's just much more intolerable. Anyways, I just had the best dosa of my life. The best. And I swear to God, it was so good that after I'm done recording this video, I'm going to go on the Google thing and like give it a 5-star rating. Like I've never had 5 freaking chutneys in a dosa. I've never had a dosa जिसका पनीर इतना soft था and like पहली बार में मुझे बहुत कम चीज़ें पसंद आती है, so to get it right in the first go.
The next day.
It's the next day and I actually woke up so late today and I was so bothered because I have some leg pain and I have it for a really long time now. And even though मैं 2 बार जा चुकी हूँ डॉक्टर पे, I'm not sure if I should go to the gym, should I not go to the gym, because I also have something called mental health issues and psoriasis. और दोनों में recommend करते हैं that you have some sort of exercise in your life, and I am not one of those people who can just like do exercises at home. I need accountability. I need to either go to the gym or like I've been walking thoda bahut, but that's boring after a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna ask my doctor once and for all ki like can I exercise or can I at least do upper body, because वैसे तो ठीक है, but when I went to Sarojini yesterday, my legs started paining again, so I'm really annoyed. I need to find a bobby pin. कल बैग में पत्ता देखा था. As you can see, we are very responsible citizens. We don't pollute the earth, but we pollute our own bag. Literally threw the bobby pin and this 10 रुपए का सिक्का in the trash with my orange peel. मैं literally अभी इसे कचरे से उठा के लेके आई हूँ. मेरा कचरा साफ था. Like it's a tiny little basket I have in my room. I hate my recent haircut. Like I hate it so much. The guy that I usually get it cut from
was not there, so somebody else cut my hair. I think my storage space had run out, that's why the video paused. Very typical behavior from my phone.
So I don't know how I managed to be late all the fucking time, but we are late and I need to drive and I cannot vlog to save my life, and I mean to save my life. So I'll see you later.
Later.
मेरे को बोला कि माइनर ओटी से पर्ची बनेगी, फिर मेरा इंजेक्शन लगेगा.
कैजुअलिटी का
कैजुअलिटी नहीं है, मेरे को हिप पे इंजेक्शन लगेगा. Okay, that was the most painful injection on the ass, because on the ass it's not supposed to hurt, but she was like, तो please ना आप अपना muscle को loose रखना. And I was like, yeah, I've had so many injections in my life. So as soon as she put the piercing in, I was like, my ass was like, I immediately relaxed. Ki like behave, Diksha. She just told you to relax. So yeah, and there's no other flat surface. That's why you guys are over here. So basically, he's told me that I can walk as much as I want, but I cannot lift any weights. I can lift like arm weights or something like that, like जैसे sitting में हम वो करते हैं. So I guess you can do that as long as the weight is not like on my lower body. Honestly, I was feeling so guilty because मेरे pause days भी खत्म हो चुके हैं अब. Like my gym membership was paused and I paid so much money. I know it's not a lot for a year, but for somebody as broke as me, I was kind of feeling really guilty. I can't do yoga because he said उठ पटांग आसन होते हैं. You don't really know how it's going to go. So
मैं लूँगी वो, मैं अपने लिए लाई हूँ। भूल गया।
So I put on makeup just to remind you guys that I'm still pretty and I hope that I am in focus.
No, bitch, you were actually in focus and then you put yourself out of focus. It's okay though, थोड़ी देर में ठीक हो जाएगा.
Okay, so it is very hot, so I need to get this done as soon as possible because there is no AC, no fan situation right now. नहीं तो वो कैमरा पे आ जाती है. And that is why, guys, you should support content creators in the summer, especially if they do like talking videos. I'll be honest, I didn't get like a whole bunch of lot of stuff because I got tired very easily, and of course you guys saw me go to the doctor and everything. तो मेरा पैर भी ढंग से चल नहीं रहा था. नहीं तो I'm one of those people that like तुम्हें खींच के घर लेके जाना पड़ता है कि चल ले भाई, चल ले. That's how much I scavenge and hunt good pieces in Sarojini. Thrifting is an art according to me, and I think I'm very good at that art. I like to believe that I have a good eye and everything, but yeah, this time around it wasn't that great because health was not at the best and it was very hot as well. So this is what I got. I got this t-shirt. I told my mom that I got this for the gym because I already did this haul for my mother separately, and then she started laughing because it's been like 2 months since I haven't gone to the gym because one of my injury. But even when I used to go to the gym, I struggle a lot to be consistent at the gym. I just like the color. It was 200 rupees and it just says, I didn't even read what it says. It says innovative minds, great ideas drive major technological revolutions. Sarojini is another level. Like there are no, अब आपको इतने आराम से spelling mistakes मिलेंगी ही नहीं. They're doing very good actually. One of the first things I got were these two tops. One is white and one is green, like the one that I'm wearing. These are for 250 rupees each. ऐसे मेरे को थोड़ा सा धोखा हो गया था because मेरे को लगा कि I said कि अगर मैं 2 लूँगी तो आप मुझे 200 का एक लगा दोगे. But that guy either didn't hear it or I don't know what happened, but I thought कि उसने हाँ बोल दिया उसके लिए. So when I gave him the 500 का note, he didn't give me back any change and he was like, no, it's 250. So I was like, whatever. So I didn't really argue about it. So yeah, I got these two, but because it's cotton, I don't have any regrets. It's like cotton and it's stretchable from the back as well. Then it's stretchable from the sleeves as well, like over here. I really love peplum situations. I really love them. So that's that. So 250 each. या मेरे को calculate करके बताना कि मैंने सरोजनी में कितने खर्च किया because I literally never calculate and then I'm like पता नहीं मेरे सारे पैसे कहाँ गए. Yeah, next thing I got were these cotton linen trousers and I literally got them because like usually if you get trousers from Sarojini, okay, lower wear is very risky in Sarojini according to me. I have had success in the past. Like how I have had success is that basically if you are going to buy lower jiska, like if it's a jeans or anything that you are skeptical if it's going to fit you or not, yeah, people do those tricks like this and measure it like that, but honestly I don't think that works so well for me. So what I do is that और ये सरोजनी वाले भैया ने मुझे टिप दिया था. So there is a washroom at सरोजनी नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन. जो सरोजनी नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन का जो गेट है जो exactly सरोजनी नगर मार्केट को फेस करता है ना, उसी गेट के सामने there is a washroom. So what you can do actually is you can buy whatever you're going, and before you are about to exit, you know, go back home, you can go in the washroom, try it on. It's a clean washroom, I think. पहले तो clean था, मुझे नहीं पता. But you can go in the washroom and you can try on your clothes, and then suppose that they are not fitting you. In the most case वो भैया के पास इंची टेप होती है, भैया लोग ही बता देते हैं आपको. But in the case you want to be extra double sure, then you can try it in the washroom, and in case it does not fit you, then you can go back to that bhaiya at Sarojini and be like, listen, can I buy something else for this money? I think they would not take it back, but you can be like, can I buy something else because this is not fitting me. That's a tip that I've used several times in my college days. I don't do it anymore because मतलब मैं से चला भी नहीं गया इस बारी सरोजनी में, तो I don't have the capacity because I'm usually dying on the way back because I exert myself so much. तो मेरे से ये होता नहीं है. I always like हाँ ठीक है, अगर
फिट नहीं आया तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, फ्री अप पे बेच दूँगी. And I have another video, by the way, where I have mentioned how I sell my clothes, so please go watch it. The entire point of this entire ramble was that बहुत rarely कोई elastic वाला पैंट मिलता है that also looks like it has a good fit. So I was like, I'm not gonna let this go. So I think I paid $280 for it, even though he started from like 600, of course. And I was like, please, मैं से रोज नहीं आती. But yeah, because summer is starting, तो whenever season is starting, the rates are always higher. और higher भी क्या ही, मतलब it's not like high but higher. Like when I went last time, because winter season का end था, so prices were literally like 100 each. ले जाओ बिल्कुल, cause they were like अब तो कोई स्वेटर पहनेगा नहीं cause winters are about to end, so they were like ले जाओ, कैसे भी ले जाओ, बस ले जाओ. But whenever it's the start of the season, it's very hard to bargain. So even though usually I would not pay anything above 200, I was like, I don't want to let this go, so I got this for 280. And then I got this night suit for 300 because my mom said कि मुझे कोई तमीज़ वाला नाइट सूट चाहिए टू वेयर इन द अपकमिंग शादी, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली मेरे बाकी सारे नाइट सूट बहुत बदतमीज़ वाले हैं. आई डोंट नो, बट बेसिकली आई जस्ट वेयर लाइक ओल्ड टी शर्ट्स एंड लाइक अ निकर इन माई हाउस, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग नाउ एज वेल. सो yeah, I got a cute presentable shadi layak night suit. So, and then the night suit was 300. I don't know if I mentioned, but and then I got this, which my mom said कि मैं लूट के आ गई हूँ, but yeah, I got this for 400, but I didn't want to leave it because the thing with me and Sarojini is that it's so far away now that I'm just like पता नहीं कितना बाद आऊँगी, and then I don't want to go home and be like, oh my god, why didn't I just buy that? So I got this. Yeah, it's a kurta, and मम्मी ने बोला कि like जनपद में टॉप्स बहुत फेमस है, but I don't own a single this kind of one. Basically what I liked is that ये यहाँ से भी टाइट हो जाएगा because यहाँ पे डोरी है, इसमें भी बेल्ट है, and that's why I liked it because then I can also wear it as a dress as well as a kurta. So that was 400. And then I got this kaftan. I don't know how it's going to look. I don't know what I'm going to wear this to. I don't know if I'm going to DIY it or what, but I just really liked the embroidery, so I got this. It's very big, so most probably either I'll wear it as a dress or like obviously I'll have to get it somewhat altered or give it a little shape. Like I love this kind of sequin stuff, like, and especially on the neck, I really love it. Yeah, this was 200 rupees, and I bought 2 kaftans. I told my mom ki you can keep one and I'll keep one, and then as soon as she saw that, she was like, because it's too bright, and she was like, yeah, that one you're keeping. And then I got another kaftan kind of thing, which is more subtler, more prettier. So it's like this, and it also has like some sequins and stuff. So this was also 200. I like this kind of stuff because I feel like it's very unique, as well as the pink one, it's very unique. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it for my, yeah, that's it. Okay, and this top as well. Okay, hello. So it is now the next day. Although this was supposed to be a weekly vlog, I'm going to cover it in 2 separate videos. So this was the first half, and in the second half I'm going to be going to Daryaganj book market because today is Friday and I have planned with a friend to go on Sunday, and I also have to do like a little bit of dance rehearsals. So that's what the next vlog will cover. Okay, so I also I've been running a little sick, which is why my energy is so low on camera, I feel, but I will be back and I'm still posting because I want to be consistent. So yeah, साडी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक ते कमेंट ज़रूर करियो, और साडी नवी वीडियो ਲਈ सब्सक्राइब टू Suri Not Sorry.